Floor heating is a type of central heating that uses either hydronic or electric heating elements to heat the floor, which then radiates heat upwards into the room. It is a popular choice for homes in Europe, and is becoming increasingly popular in North America as well. Benefits of floor heating. Comfort. Floor heating provides a more comfortable heating experience than traditional forced air systems, as it heats the room from the ground up. This creates a more even heat distribution, and can eliminate cold spots and drafts. Efficiency. Floor heating systems are more efficient than traditional forced air systems, as they can heat a room with lower water or air temperatures. This can save you money on energy costs. Health. Floor heating can be beneficial for people with allergies or respiratory problems, as it does not stir up dust or allergens. Types of floor heating systems. Hydronic floor heating systems. These systems use hot water to heat the floor. The water is circulated through pipes that are embedded in the subfloor. Electric floor heating systems. These systems use electric cables to heat the floor. The cables are either embedded in the subfloor or attached to the underside of the floor. Factors to consider when choosing a floor heating system. The size and layout of your home. Larger homes or homes with complex layouts may require a more extensive floor heating system. The climate in your area. If you live in a cold climate, you will need a system that can generate enough heat to keep your home comfortable. Your budget. Floor heating systems can range in price from a few $100s to several $1,000s. Cost of floor heating. The cost of floor heating will vary depending on the size of your home, the type of system you choose, and the cost of labor. In general, you can expect to pay between $5 and $15 per square foot for a hydronic system and between $2 and $10 per square foot for an electric system. If you are considering installing floor heating in your home, be sure to consult with a qualified contractor to get an estimate. I hope this information is helpful. Please let me know if you have any other questions. Thank you for listening. Please check out description for much more.